What's up, people? I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a nice day. Today, we're talking about Sunday analysis. This is for my traders out there. I think the Sunday analysis, I think it's mega, mega important. I think it's one of the biggest driving factors towards my progression. One day I'll say towards my success, but we're not quite there yet. We're still on the journey, still working hard. And that leads us on to the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, honestly. I hope you guys found value from what I say, but I do this to document my journey, as well as trying to help you guys, to help the people who are further behind me. Don't just take my word for it. Don't do everything I say. 95% of traders lose money. It's a risky game. I fucking love it though, but it's not for everyone. So don't take everything I say so seriously. Otherwise, you probably will lose money. I'm not profitable. Heads up. Hopefully soon. But if it's not soon, then it's not soon. This is the journey we do. So yeah, what is Sunday analysis? Sunday analysis, Saturday analysis, whatever, doesn't matter. It's just, the currency markets are closed on the weekend. So that gives you time to do multiple things. One, gives you time to debrief the previous week. I hope you're journaling every day your trades, but if not, you can journal at the end of the week. I have a video about journaling. It's very important, so I'm not going to get that into it today. But yeah, if you guys want to check that out, it will be in the description down below. So yeah, journaling is mega important as well. And so if you haven't done it in the days, you can do it on the weekend. This is writing down all the trades you took that week, what was good about them, what was bad about them. For the ones that were bad and the losers, what did you learn about those trades? Because it's never a loss if you've learned. But if you're not learning, then yeah, you're probably just fucking screwing yourself. It's not good. So make sure you do that. But it also gives you time to analyze the week ahead. And I think this is very important. As well as, yes, they're both very important, but I'm a big fan of analyzing for the week ahead. So what I do in this, I'm lucky enough to have like a whiteboard. I love working on that. It just means I can look at it. I don't have to close any tabs and do any of that. I just look at it. It's right beside me. I'll show you guys it now. This is the whiteboard. This is my week, trading week commencing the 19th. This is what I write down. So let's get into what I actually write down. So on the analysis for the upcoming week, it involves my goals for the week, my short-term goals, what I'm doing for the week. So it's like I'm risking 1% of my account, I'm risking 2% of the account. Always keep that number the same. That was just an example. What pairs I'm going to trade. You guys, I only really trade the GU. I only trade the pound dollar, but I'm also trading the pound Australian dollar as well this week. I'll throw that one in the mix. So yeah, and it's like my risk management. Fucking hell, man. My risk management plan, which is like if I take 2 losses in a row, I walk away, I'll paper trade for the rest of the day, or go back to the demo, just clear my mind, go train, go walk, clear my mind, and then come back. Like this week, I decided to learn ICT. I've had a rough couple of weeks, something was not going well, and I just want to put my head down and learn again. I just forget how new I am to this. I started trading, so it's like, oh, I don't need to learn. I'm trading, I don't need to learn. You get in a bad mindset of doing that. No, you're always learning. So I want to watch his 2022 ICT mentorship. I might not agree with it, I might not do it, but I want to learn about the market from his perspective and millions of other people. So I'm doing that. So I haven't really traded this week, but yeah. And yeah, I got another goal this week was, to focus on confirmations rather than going into trades blind, because sometimes I'll just have a support and resistance. As soon as it touches that, I buy without even looking for a confirmation. Sometimes it does what I thought it would reverse. Other times it would just crash through that fucking support. And then it'd just be like, well, what the fuck? What the fuck is this game? It's like, so yeah, I would rather look for confirmations, maybe a double bottom with an engulfing candle, inverse head and shoulders, anything that just confirms, the three black crows, whatever, it could be anything, just confirmation. So those are my goals and like rules for the week, goals and rules for the upcoming week. I think that's very cool. That's very important. And then also this is massive. I analyze the whole week's worth of news. So every important fundamental news coming out this week will be written down. So I wake up every morning and I look at it, so I never miss a news. Because we know how powerful and we know how volatile the news is. It's pretty fucked. So if you're in a trade and you don't know that the US CPI is coming out and it goes against you, you're fucked. Straight up, you're done. Your account's getting blown. See you later, funded challenge. See you later, bank account. See you later, capital. Like, you're done. So you always have to be aware of the news because, I know people have friends. I'm like, oh, you prepared for the interest rate decision today? And they're like, the what? They're in a position. I'm like, you're going to get screwed, mate. Get out of that position. So I just like to be very aware of the fundamentals. I think it's very important. Also, I just like learning about that stuff. You're learning about the world around you, interest rates, inflation, PPI, CPI, whatever, initial claims, NFP, non-farm payrolls. You just learn about all these key economic things that make the world go around, which the normal person just wouldn't know about. I think it's very cool. This is the financials of the world. This is just how it works. I think it's very interesting. So yeah, I do that. Sometimes I would so on the GU, on the pound dollar, I would also annotate the chart for the week. I'd locate key levels, key liquidity pools that I think price will go to or want to go to. Obviously, I then delete these for the day and restart for the day because each day is different. But just for the overall weekly, I'll analyze like a higher time frame narrative on the Sunday going into the Monday trading day. So I understand where the market wants to go, just understand it all again from the new week, from a higher time frame all the way to a lower time frame. Just analyzing it all, key points on the chart, key levels, key psychological levels, whatever, patterns, trend lines, support, resistance, liquidity, anything. Just write it down on your chart, get an understanding of what is going to happen in this next week. And you usually can do that, guys. You can usually see, okay, I think price is going down this week. Okay, I think price is going up this week. It's pretty obvious to tell sometimes, not always, but it just gives you that advantage for the upcoming week. You're not going to go into Monday sitting there clueless, staring at a chart. You're going to understand, okay, this is the game plan. Here's my rules, here's my goals, here's what's coming up on the news. I've already got my key levels. Let's go. I just recommend it to every beginning trader. You will get better a lot quicker. So that's enough rambling from me today. This is just a shorter video. Probably won't have any lifestyle content on this. Just pure knowledge, pure trying to help you guys and document my journey. Just documenting this is what I do. This might change in the future, but I think it's just so important. I think I'll do it every week, week in, week out, and I recommend you guys do the same. So yeah, I will continue to stare at charts for a couple hours. And yeah, I hope you found value. See you guys later.